Today, I, Tanushree, and my friend
Ayush Jha.
are going to present on the topic microbial electricity generator. A microbial fuel cell is capable of generating electricity directly from a large variety of organic or inorganic compounds using a microbe as a catalyst. To demonstrate the feasibility of generating electricity from microbial activity using a simple microbial fuel cell.
The advantages of microbial electricity generator are often a more energy efficient alternative to traditional wastewater treatment plants, as they can generate electricity from the organic matter in wastewater, offsetting the energy needs of the treatment plants.
Material: 2 containers, cathode and anode materials, salt bridge or ion exchange membrane, waste water or organic matter, multimeter, connecting wires, alligator clips, LED light bulb. Procedure: prepare the microbial fuel cell. Set up the 2 containers to act as the anode and cathode chambers. Insert the cathode and anode materials in their respective chambers, leaving some space at the top. Create a salt bridge or use an ion exchange membrane to connect the 2 chambers. This allows ions to move between the anode and cathode.
Inoculate the anode chamber. Introduce a source of microorganisms such as wastewater or a mixture of soil and water into the anode chamber. This will be the microbial community responsible for generating electricity. Analysis. Record the initial and final voltage and current readings. Note any variation in the microbial fuel cell's performance over time. Discuss the factors that could affect electricity generation, such as types of microorganism used and the organic content of the wastewater. Conclusion. Summarize the project findings. Discuss the potential application of microbial fuel cell in real world scenarios, such as wastewater treatment plants or remote power generation.
Thank you.